you doing, Magic? Go get him. Go get him. Oh. My goodness. Hey, dude. Kizzy. Thank you. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You hiding? Where'd she go? Wait, there she is. You hiding? Are you hiding under there? Hello, Darby. There, bud. Yes. You go, Barley. Come on. What are you doing, sweetie? Hello, darling. Oh, it's my pretty girl. Oh, none of that noise. What are you doing, huh? You're just a clown, aren't you? Don't fight. Here we go. Up you go. No, don't bite me. That's not how you say thank you. No, it's not. That's not how you say thank you to somebody. Don't bite them. Don't bite them. Don't bite them. Yeah. Come on. Oh, hi, dude. Oh, here they come. Dun, 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 dun. Woo. Hi. We'll go in soon, Riley. I promise. Hi, Darby. Hi. Oh, goodness. Oh, does that feel good? Oh, yum, 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 yum. Oh, yum. Hello, Izzy. Hello. Oh, hi, Turkey. Oh. Oh, she says, oh, God, that feel good? My goodness. What are you doing? How's my smushy face? Hello, Izzy. Yes, I see you, darling. I know you're there. What can I do? Hello. Oh, Taiki. You must... Oh, goodness. Don't eat my ponytail. Yeah, you. Don't eat my ponytail. Oh, Jenny, you're just so vicious. So vicious. Oh, what are you doing? You gonna be a lap puppy? Huh? You gonna be a lap puppy? Really? You cut it out. Would you cut it out? Yeah, you. Acting all tough. Huh? Acting all tough. You replacing Finn for the day, are you? Huh? You replacing Finn? Ooh. What, Barley? What are you doing, dude? Huh? Oh, whoop, careful! Oh, that was close. That was close. Don't chew on me. Don't chew on me. No, that's not something you need to learn. No. Oh, shush. Ow. Don't do that. Oh, you be a nice boy. Oh, careful. Taiki, what are you doing? You're fine, Izzy. You're okay. Oh, it's my little demon. Oh, it's my little demon. Look at those legs. I just drooled on myself. My Magic. Hi, buddy. Oh, she can itch my butt too. I can itch Magic butt too. You trying to be the center of attention, are you? You know, Izzy, there's a smaller bucket right next to you. So I got it. I'm good. Magic. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. You full of it, too? Really? Oh, my goodness. Ow! It was me. Oh, thank you. Maybe you shouldn't bark so loud. Yeah. Maybe you shouldn't be so loud. What, Riley? What? Huh? What? What are you doing here? Woo! Go, Piper! Magic. Woo! Easy. That's alright. Alright. Magic. Thank you. Oh, you think you're tough, huh? Don't ya? Magic. What do you think you're doing, huh? Rocco! What are you doing?